Gucanithano nicio cirekirie kuhibitano muthenya wa umuthi rigi-ini ya Kenya. Kiaro-ini kia Moi ahotani a rigi ya Kenya maita 15 Gor Mahia mathire draw ya bao 2-2 na timu ya Ulinzi Stars. Karim Nizigimana aingiririe bao imwe nake muthaki Stephen Waruru akorwo akiingiria bao ya keri cia Ulinzi Stars. Kiharo-ini kia Afraha timu ya Posta Rangers ikorirwo ikinyitwo draw ya kuingirania bao 1-1 na imwana cia Abdalla Juma Chemelil Sugar. Kiharo-ini gia Kinoru kaunti-ini ya Meru, timu ya Bandari ikorirwo ikiyukia uhotani wa bao 1-0 magithaka na Tusker FC, na guo mwena wa Awendo Green Stadium, timu ya Kakamega Homeboys yahota timu ya Soni na bao 1-0. Kaunti-ini ya Kericho timu ya Mathare United ikorirwo igithie draw ya kwaga kuingirania bao na Zoo FC.
It was a gift. It was very bad because you could see in the second half these guys didn't even get a chance, but we give them a golden gift and they take it. So again we had to fight back again for the equalizer. I have to commend the boys for that.
We were leading and the time was on. It was only 3 minutes for the game to win the game. But unfortunately we lost the concentration in between the two stoppers. Then we conceded.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Mwihaki wa Dogo.